38 គីឡូហើយក្នុងបៅម្ដង 1000
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we dive into the funniest baby elephant moments. Let's go! That's the most polite personal space violation warning ever.
Ой, ты боже ты мой.
Look, this one's applying his SPF 1000 mud sunscreen, natural and free.
Kalau nggak ada mahotnya nggak bisa.
Nope. When you're hungry, but your trunk control is still a work in progress. The softest steps from the biggest heart, so careful not to damage the fence. While typically associated with warm climates, baby elephants are highly adaptable. This is Dumbo and his little princess friend walking from princess school. He can spin his head at any minute, worth the wait. Looks like someone's conducting mandatory quality checks on all visitors' petting skills. Some animals floss. He's showing us how it's done.
Mom, are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
It's fine, honey.
Yeah.
The baby clearly wants to try the coconut.
Ini lo kursi ini saya duduk. Duduk sini. Nah, duduk. Nah.
Oh my gosh.
Human, I need 10 feet of personal space. Thanks.
Can I have a little bite? Just a tiny little taste, please. You won't even notice it's gone.
My house is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat. That ever.
Holding hands during a crowded field trip. Highly efficient and extremely adorable.
Almost there, buddy. Come on.
You know, elephants often push over large trees to access higher leaves or root systems. To a baby, the world is made of his mother's legs.
Long shout.
The most epic, giant-sized backing band a dancer could dream of.
Okay, now you gotta beg for it.
Oh, you want good change?
His brain is currently running on the Chaos and Discovery setting. I know where the fruit is, but my nose keeps doing a noodle dance. Wow, how can I sign up for this inclusive water party?
So here we are at King's Camp. We've come up here to the Tonga village. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Oh!
We've come up.
She's practicing her runway walk, SAS level 100. If you loved these playful pachyderms, please like and subscribe for more. See you soon.